प्रेयर इज द की टू हेवन बट फेथ अनलॉक्स द डोर। ऐसा भगवान का कहना है और मेरा मानना भी। हेलो एवरीबॉडी, दिस इज शारू कपूर। Today I'm gonna start this video with a short story. So once there was a small village which was suffering through a severe drought. The crops were dying, the villagers and animals had very little water to drink. To find the solution to this drought, the chief of that village called all the villagers together at one place to pray for rain. The chief told all the villagers to bring with them the token of faith so the prayer would be done in a sincere faith. All the villagers gathered at village square bringing with them the token of faith. Some brought the holy books while others carried picture of God as their token of faith. They all prayed aloud with a deep faith and hope, and within few moments it began to rain. The crowd was overjoyed and they danced happily. In the meantime, the chief noticed a 7-year-old boy who had brought an umbrella along with him as his token of faith. This little boy had deep faith that God would listen to his prayer and send rain. So the moral of this story is, guys, that nothing is impossible for the person who has deep faith in God. Miracles begin with the faith only. We live in a world that is unpredictable. Life is real and we all experience its ups and downs. Sometimes life puts us in a position where we give up and take 2 steps back. From this moment only, we start doubting our power of faith, and most of the time we start taking trial of our faith and things get messed up. In all this, we don't realize that the problem which seems too big for us to handle, is it bigger than our God? Not at all. The problem which seems unable to solve, God can fix it just like that in a snap of finger. But for that, we need to feed our mind faith, and we need to realize that the real faith doesn't make mess, but it makes the miracles. Guys, faith is not a feeling, but it is a stubborn force which has the power to move the mountains. And faith only fails when we fail to have faith. When we face difficult situation in our life, we start getting negative thoughts quite naturally. And it is said that energy flows where the attention goes. So the situation is negative. Also, we are thinking negative. So the bad situation turns worse. So to fight such situation, we need to feed our mind faith, and we need to put our doubt on a diet so that we can experience a true blessing and God can add numbers of miracles to our life. At last, I would only say, guys, that the person who has faith has everything because this person has God. But the person who doesn't have faith, he has nothing. Even if this person possesses anything else, but faith is absolutely necessary. Because God Himself says that when you show me your faith, I will show you my faithfulness. So keep faith in Him. So that's all for the day, guys. I hope you like this video, and this video will help you to realize your power of faith. Stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Till then, stay safe. Stay positive. Thank you.